Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is Afsana. Welcome back to my channel. So, how are you guys doing? I'm doing great, Alhamdulillah. And today's video is not a makeup tutorial or hijab tutorial. Today's video is a review of a beauty product, like a skincare product specifically. So I hope you will like it and find it useful. So without further ado, let's now start the video and start the review. As I was talking, I'll review a skincare product today. Ta-da! This is Beauty Formula's charcoal facial scrub, and I have been using this for so long and I'm in love with it. That's why I'm making a review video of it. So this is the packaging. I love its packaging because I love color black. You guys must have seen me in lots of video that I have been wearing black hijab because I love this color. I love black. Let's talk about its packaging. It's white and black packaging, as it is a charcoal facial scrub.
So as I was saying that it came with black and white packaging. It's a charcoal facial scrub. That's why I think its packaging is black. It's a UK product, made in UK, written in the back, you can see, and its ingredients also written in the back, and directions, cautions also written, so you can use for 1 year after opening. It says that it's an effective facial scrub formulated with activated charcoal. The micro-ground apricot seed works to exfoliate the skin, whilst the magnet-like power of charcoal absorbs impurities. Designed to deeply cleanse, leaving your feeling fresher.
Is of 150 ml. We all know that charcoal works for deep cleansing. It says that it's in deep exfoliating formula and helps to remove the blackheads and unblock pores of our face. In back of it there is directions that how you have to use. You have to use 1 or 2 times weekly, and you have to gently massage it on your clean skin and wet skin. So after using it, you must need to wet your face and then use it, and then you have to roll your fingers in circular motion and over the face and neck if you need, and gently wash. You can wash it normal water, and this is it. This is super easy and I'm loving it because after using it, it gives instant brightness to your face, and also as it says that it removes your blackheads and whiteheads and block your pores. And we have so many bumps on our face, like I have also. I don't know if you can see it or not. So if I use it, and it softs my skin and reduce the bumps of my face. I have not used it for weeks because I was not at home, so I haven't taken care of my skin for so long. Today I'll use it for you guys so you can see that I'm talking right or wrong. So let's now use it. Okay, you have to wet your face. First of all, I need to wet my face. I have nothing on my face without lipstick and eyeliner. I have just moisturized my face. So if I open it, comes in this color, like it's a ashy in color, and I'll apply it on my face. That's it. Rub it gently in circular motion on my face. If you use it, you can surely see the difference, that your face becomes so soft, bump free. Massage in circular motion, especially on your nose areas, because I rub it on my nose areas more because I have so many blackheads and whiteheads on my nose. I mean my T-zone areas, so I rub there more. don't rub harshly because it's your face and facial skin is too much sensitive. Rub here also because all the pigmentation comes here. I'll leave it for 5 minutes. I like to keep it for 5 minutes, but it's not written, but I love to keep it on my face for 5 minutes. You can wash it off now or wait for 5 minutes to let it dry and then wash it off with water. So let's wait for 5 minutes. I have just washed my face and clean it with a wet wipe, and this is all gum came out. I don't know if you guys can see with the camera, but this is all came out, and now my skin feels so soft and smooth, like those bumps on my face feels like disappeared. It feels so smooth and soft. I can't even describe you guys. You have to purchase this if you have like problems, those blackheads and whiteheads problems on your face. You should have buy this. I have bought this from a page, a Facebook page. They provide original UK products. I know her personally, so I bought products from her regularly, like skincare products and all the makeup products. I try to buy from her. And guys, let me inform you guys that this is not a sponsored video. I bought it with my own money, so this is honest, and I have just shared my experience with you. I have been using this for so long, and I thought that if I share my experience with you, it might be helpful for you. I haven't made this video for just my YouTube. I shared this to help you guys. If you want to buy it from this page from where I bought this, so you can buy it. I will link the page in my description box, so check it out and collect this product. This is amazing, this is awesome. So that is it. I hope you guys like it, and if you like it, then you know that the process. Like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and comment below that you have been using it or not, or you found this review helpful or not, or I should make this type of review video more or not. So let me know in the comment section. I love reading your comments. Your lovely comments inspires me a lot. Keep commenting and keep supporting me. Like this video, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon. That's it for today. I'll see you guys next time. Till then, take care and stay safe, stay home, and if you go out, always maintain safety measures. I love you guys. Allah Hafiz.